Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Sunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss how to find size of an array in C. For example, here we have array and elements like 3, 6, 2, 7, 4. We need to find array size. Here array size is 5. We don't have predefined function in C to find array size. We need to calculate array size manually. We'll use VS Code to find size of an array. Launch VS Code and create C application. Before finding size of an array, we need to find size of data type. For example, printf size of int equal to %d slash n, comma, size of int. Here, size of function will provide size of data type. Copy this statement, paste here, paste here. Here size of char, change to char. Here float, execute this code, control F5. Here size of int 4, size of char 1, size of float 4. That means integer data type size is 4 bytes, size of character is 1 byte, size of float is 4 bytes. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Here integer is 4 bytes. 4 bytes means 32 bits. Character is 1 byte. 1 byte is 8 bits. Float is 4 bytes. That means it will occupy 32 bits. Now we'll use this function to find size of an array. Remove this code. Declare array and store the data into array. Int arr equal to 2, 5, 1, 6, 3. Here we stored 5 elements into array. Here we know size of an array, but if we get elements dynamically, then it will be difficult to find size of an array. There we can calculate size of an array manually. Declare a variable int size equal to size of array by size of array of 0. What this will provide? Size of array will provide size of all the integers from the array. Here we have 5 integers. Each integer will occupy 4 bytes. 5 into 4, 20. Later, here size of array of 0. Array of 0 is 2. 2 means integer. So size of integer type is 4 bytes. 20 by 4 will get size of array is 5. Printf size of array equal to %d slash n, comma, size print the data from array. Printf array elements will use for loop to print the values from array. For int I equal to 0, that means array index starts from 0, I less than size. Here we find the array size, so we'll use that variable in for loop. I plus plus printf array of %d equal to %d slash n, comma, I, array of I. Execute this code, control F5. Here size of array is 5. Array elements are array 0, 2, array 1, 5, array 2, 1, array 3, 6, array 4, 3. We'll debug this program to understand flow of execution. Put breakpoint here. Go to run. Click on Start Debugging or F5. Later click Step into or F11. Click on Start Debugging. Here we have array. Array contains elements like 2, 5, 1, 6, 3 in index from 0 to 4. Now we need to find array size. Here, first part, size of array. Right click on this one. Evaluate in debug console. Size of array 20. How we are getting 20 means, this array contains 5 elements and each integer size is 4 bytes. 4 into 5, 20. So here we are getting 20. Later, size of array of 0. Array of 0, 2. That is integer. So size of integer is 4 bytes. 20 by 4 will get 5. Let's select this part. Right click. Evaluate in debug console. Here size of array is 5. F11. Print the size. Now print array elements. Int I is equal 0. 0 less than 5. Print array of 0. Let it print array of 1, array of 2, array of 3. Now I is equal to 3. It will increment one value. That means 4. 4 less than 5. True. Print the value. I is equal to 4. It will increment one value. That means 5. 5 less than 5. False. It exits from for loop. And we have output like here. Size of array 5. Array elements. Array of 0 2. Array of 1 5. Array of 2 1. Array of 3 6. Array of 4 3. Now we'll check same program for characters. Here change to char. Values H E L L O. Now execute this program. Control F5. We are getting size of arrays 5. Array elements array of 0 104, array of 1 101, array of 2 108, array of 3 108, array of 4 111. Here we provided characters, but here we are getting integer numbers. What are these numbers? These numbers are ASCII code for these alphabets. If you want to get characters, then change code here. Change %D to %C. Execute this code. Control F5. Now we are getting output as size of array 5. Array elements array of 0 H, array of 1 E, array of 2 L, array of 3 L, array of 4 O. Here we are getting size of array is 5. How we are getting size of array 5? Here size of array. Here we have character. Size of character is 1 byte. 5 into 1. That means 5 byte. Size of array of 0. Array of 0 is character. Character means 1 byte. 5 by 1 will get 5. So size of character is 5. Now we'll check same program with float. Change to float. Then change values 1.2, comma 3.1, comma 4.3, comma 4.2. Here we'll change to %f. Execute this code. Control F5. Here size of array 4. Array elements array of 0 1.2, array of 1 3.1, array of 2 4.3, array 3 4.2. We'll debug this program. Put breakpoint here. Go to run. Click on start debugging or F5. Later click step into or F11. Click on start debugging. The debugging started. Here array contains elements like 1.2, 3.09, 4.3, 4.19. We need to find the array size. Here size of array. Right click here. Evaluate in debug console. Size of array 16. Why it's 16? Here we have 4 float values. Each float value size is 4 bytes. So 4 into 4, 16. Later size of array of 0. select this part, right click, evaluate debug console, it's showing 4. Array of 0 means 1.2. This is the float. So size of float is 4 bytes. So 16 by 4 will get 4. Here size is equal to 4 and print the size. Print the float values using for loop. Here int I is equal to 0. 0 less than 4, true. Array of percentage d equal to percentage f. Print I and array of 0. Print array of 0 is 1.2. I greater than 1, that means I is equal to 1. 1 less than 4, true. Print array of 1. Printed. Later I is equal to 2. 2 less than 4. Print array of 2. Here array of 2 printed. I is equal to 3. 3 less than 4, true. Then print array of 3. Later 4. 4 less than 4, false. It exits from for loop. And here we output like array elements of array of 0, array of 1, array of 2, array of 3. So what we discuss in this program is, using size of operator, we find the array size for array of integers, for array of characters and array of float. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.